Now, let's move to the US policies that is shaking up the H-1B employees, because for thousands of Indian professionals working in the United States, an H-1B visa, it is much more than a work permit, right? It is the foundation of their entire life in America. It decides whether they can work, whether they can stay in the country, and for many, whether they can one day become permanent residents. Most H-1B workers, they focus on doing their jobs really well and assume that their employer is taking care of all the paperwork. But what if the biggest risk right now to your visa, it is not your performance? What if it is your employer's paperwork? Well, that's exactly what American authorities are now forcing on. The US Department of Labor has a significantly increased enforcement under an initiative known as Project Firewall. The goal is to ensure that companies hiring foreign workers are following every single rule laid down under the H-1B program. Authorities are no longer treating visa paperwork as a simple administrative formality here. They are carefully checking whether employers are paying the correct wages, whether maintaining proper records, and following all legal requirements while hiring foreign workers. In fact, one of the most important documents in H-1B process is called the Labor Condition Application, or LCA. Before an employer can sponsor an H-1B worker, they must submit his document to the Department of Labor. Now, through this particular application, the employer makes several legal promises. Well, they must confirm that the foreign employee will receive at least the prevailing wage for that particular job. Well, they must certify that hiring an H-1B worker will not negatively affect the American workers. They must also publicly notify employees at the workplace that an H-1B application has been filed. Well, these are not optional formalities anymore. These are legal obligations. Earlier, many companies treated these requirements as routine paperwork, but that approach, it is no longer acceptable. Well, under the latest enforcement drive, even small compliance failure, it can trigger detailed federal investigation. If an employer submits incorrect wage information, fails to display the required public notices, or does not maintain proper documentation, then the Department of Labor can launch a formal audit. That audit may lead to heavy financial penalties, back pay orders as well, and even restrictions on the company's ability to sponsor foreign workers in near future. Well, there is an important development here that can directly affect the H-1B salaries. The Department of Labor has proposed increasing prevailing wage level across different job categories. If implemented, then companies may have to pay significantly higher salaries to sponsored foreign workers in order to maintain compliance with federal regulations. Well, for the employers, this means higher hiring costs. Well, for skilled professionals, it may create better salary opportunity, but it also can make companies more cautious while hiring a new H-1B employee. So, what should an H-1B worker do? First of all, understand that your immigration status, it depends not only on your own action but also your employer's compliance. Ask questions if it is necessary. Ensure that your employer follows all the rules. Make sure your salary matches what has been officially filed, and keep the copies of important immigrant documents and stay informed about any policy changes that could affect your status. Being aware today can help prevent major problems tomorrow. The larger message is simple here. The US is not ending the H-1B program, but it is making it very clear that companies must strictly follow every rule. Honest employers have nothing to fear, but companies that cut the corners or maybe ignore compliance requirement may soon find themselves under intense government scrutiny. And unfortunately, when employers make mistakes here, it is often the employees who suffer the most.